Hello everyone, this is Tammy. Today I have a gypsy project for us. We're going to cut out this bus. I use the gypsy to do a lot of the things, and I did make it into a card. And what I did is I took with my cell phone a picture of our district's buses, and so I saw where to put the jewels on here. And so took it with my phone, sent it to my email, and then printed this little picture so it would help me. So let's get started. Okay, I cut out the bus that's in Locker Talk on page 34. And I used the blackout, the shadow, the layers, and I use my gypsy a lot. So let's get started. Okay. Okay, this is what I did. First of all, I have the blackout here that's cut in black. Then this is the layers. I copied the layers 3 times. The first layer, I wanted to cut it out in gold, so I didn't need the bumpers and stuff. So I hit the hide contour for that. And then it also had all these lights all over, and I wasn't sure if mine were going to line up with those, so I just went ahead and hit the hide contour on those also. I only cut out the windows. So that was cut in gold. Then on this layer 1, I hid everything else. All I needed was the black bumpers. Okay? Then on this one, I just needed a black piece here. There's a black piece here on the bus that I saw from the picture that wasn't on this bus. So I had to cut the whole thing out, and then I cut with my scissors these little pieces. So that was my first cut. I did press cut, and then once you're done cutting a page, you have 2 options: to unload mat or to return to design. I hit return to design, and then I changed my blade to my gel pens, and I went to layer 3. Okay, and you can see, let me zoom in here. There's only one thing on layer 3. It is 2 words, one thing: school bus and stop. Now I have the eyeball on so you can see it's in lighter what was on layer 1. I have the eyeball on so that we can see what's on layer 1. And this is how I knew where to place my school bus and my stop when I wrote those. I got those from Clayton School Book, the letters. So then I actually pressed cut again, and even though I had my gel pen in, it would write instead of cut, school bus and stop. Okay, so after I was done with that, then I hit unload paper. Okay, next I went to layer 2, and I did close the eyeball in layer 1. Now, I did cut this bus out at 4 inches, so this is the shadow of the bus. I hit the duplicating key, which was right here. Then I also hit the flip key, which is here, and I moved, here's my moving, here's my buttons that I moved it with. Then I grouped it together, and then I hit the weld. So that's how I made the base of my card. Then these 2 little squares here, they're actually rectangles, I got from George and Basic Shapes. So I cut layer 2 out in gray. Then after I put my blade back in. So then I did not unload the mat. Again, I changed to the gel pens, and I returned to the design. Then I went to layer 4. Okay, and as you see here, there are 2 words. Well, 15, the number, and CON, that was that's just the license plate number I gave the bus. And if I turn on the eyeball here for layer 2, see the little rectangles come up? They're real light because they're on a different layer. They're not going to cut. I press the cut. I'll show you. Let's go here. Like I'm doing cut, and you're only going to see the 2 words. And my mat, it's saying load mat because my mat isn't loaded, but it wouldn't say that if I was doing it. Okay? So that's how I got the 2 little license plates on it. Then and I unloaded it after that. Then I went to layer 5, And layer 5, okay, I'm going to turn out the eyeball to layer 2. That'll turn off here. It's hard at my angle that I'm working at. Sometimes it doesn't want to. There it goes. Okay, so let me show you this. I did the hide contour on this. All I needed was these windows cut out. And I needed them in a gold mirror is what I cut them out at. So then I just cut those out and placed those on my bust. So that is all the things that I did with my gypsy. So let me show you the final picture again. Okay, here is the 15, the bus. Here's the bus number, and there's the license plate number. And these are the gold kind of mirrored windows. Here's that black piece that I had put on top that I was talking about. Then I did red and the gold or the yellow jewels. And I also took my Cuttlebug and I Cuttlebugged the tires so they didn't blend in with the bumpers. So that's my bus, and it was cut out at 4 inches. Okay, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.